2022 was a system reboot. 2023 broke the doom loop. This year is all about turning vision into reality. Conference to Restore Humanity 2024 is an invitation for K-12 and college educators to build your joyful, reimagined classroom. Our flipped keynotes let the learning community listen and learn on their own time, then engage in a 1-hour Q&A with our speakers. Dr. Mary Helen Imordino-Yang makes the neurobiological case for progressive education rooted in her groundbreaking work in affective neuroscience.
As human beings, feeling alive means feeling alive in a body, but also feeling alive in a society, in a culture, being loved, being part of a group, being accepted, and feeling purposeful.
Dr. Carla Shalaby demonstrates the power of education as the practice of freedom, honoring young people's rights to full human being.
We actually identify the most vulnerable, and we serve that person. The rest of our needs would actually be met.
Dr. Sausan Jaber elevates the voices of Arab and Muslim students as an advocate for global equity and justice.
We are really shaping a next generation that's able to make the changes and the impact that are necessary and overdue.
And Orchard View School's Innovative Learning Center showcases healthy, sustainable community learning spaces for teenagers and adult learners alike.
School is so often framed as preparation for life, rather than part of life. Rather than just preparing to go be humans in the world, we are actually being humans in the world.
Beyond our flipped keynotes, participants will be invited to join week-long learning journeys. Join Trevor Alio on a journey to learn interdisciplinary, inquiry-based methods to equip students as knowledge producers, communicating with zines, podcasts, and more.
So you don't need to know how to do TikTok, but it is really helpful as an educator to understand how do people tell stories or construct arguments using visual media.
And understand the ripple effects of modern imperialism with a focus on Palestinian resilience and classroom tools for fostering global solidarity. In our second workshop led by Abir Ramadan-Shinnawi.
When people understand that when you stand for social justice and civil rights, you understand that this goes beyond who you are as a person and what it means for your community.
We're also featuring virtual school tours so you can see progressive practice in action at the Nova Lab, Olentangy STEM Academy, Community Lab School, and more. The mission of reshaping education systems, of turning vision into reality, is vital for a sustainable and just future. Conference to Restore Humanity runs July 22nd through the 25th. And as of recording, early bird tickets are still available. It's $150 for 4 days, with discounts available, group rates, and parity pricing. Plus, we'll award certificates for teacher training and continuing education credits. See our website, humanrestorationproject.org, for more information, and let's restore humanity together.